Hi, I'm about going for a meeting right now and I thought I should drop this. I understand you might be going through some sales problems like inconsistent sales, low sales, or no sale. Probably you would have spent a lot of your resources on junk courses or paid ads where you made some sales and that was it. Now listen to me. My name is Peter Chijoke Eke. I'm a business mentor or coach. I help entrepreneurs adopt the right strategies to run a profitable and a sustainable business online and offline. Over the years, I've mentored lots of businesses and they have had great results, especially in sales and marketing. So, generating consistent sales is foundational. Means if your business is not structured to do so, you will struggle to make sales. And I see a lot of entrepreneurs say they can only make consistent sales when they run ads, which is totally not correct. Running ads can only provide you visibility to those who might be interested in your products or services, and that's when you have the right targeting. You have a compelling ad copy, you have a sales page, and you have an irresistible offer. Still, this doesn't guarantee consistent sales, as you cannot keep running ads continuously or most likely forever. There's a proven way to generating consistent sales without spending a fortune on junk courses or paid ads, and this is in 3 steps, which is restructure, position, and generate. This 3-step strategy works like magic. So I'm introducing you to my sales course titled The Ultimate Sales Revelation, where I reviewed the secrets to generating consistent sales. In this course, I'll be teaching you how you can restructure your business, position it to generate consistent sales. So click on the link below to enroll and get access now.